Hello, today we are going to study some tips on how to create a beautiful mind map with GitMind. There are 4 types of layout for making a mind map: balanced map, logic chart, tree chart, and org chart. You can choose according to your cases. First, go to GitMind and open a mind map. Here I will make modifications on a finished mind map. Balanced map is more suitable in this case, so I reset the layout. According to the similarity and variety principle, I will change the node color and make bulk operation by Format Painter. To help visualize ideas, inserting images and hyperlinks is a good media. You can also add task priorities to help readers know the progress. Thanks for watching. If you want to learn more, you can check GitMind official website and subscribe to our channel.